Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, another video. So y'all remember how me as I talk about more so ackee more I carry it by ackee because of people turn, right? So we have some ackee in the area which part we currently I walk go there right now to see if ackee they pat up on the tree. So if it's on the tree and them open up, I might just pick them and then we can have ackee for dinner. I'm a few feet from long time, so just I go check. Wanna see how the road bad? Wanna see how the road bad? Everyone go Trixie follow me. Every single will go Trixie follow me. Why? The ackee tree up there, so guys. I just hope so they open because I need some. Really and truly need some ackee to eat. Oh god. I'm tired already. So this is the ackee tree, guys. This is one of them. Yeah? Maybe this is okay. I see one right there, so. Yeah, I see them. Oh yeah, you really gonna climb go this and over here? Come on. Alright guys, so I'm gonna climb a tree. Forget look at ackee few. There's one thing around here's a bushy bad. You might try to find a walkway, forget to look at access to the tree, but God no. Can't find none at all and a bare bush. Pure bush out here. Have to take off your slippers, eh? You can't come out? You can't come out?
No, come out. The tree you want to go find it.
Come then, make it on. Dario, come. Make it on, just come. Oh boy. Yeah. Guys, so this road is like a dead end. Other houses are up there, but this road is a complete dead end. Catch him. Yes, take time, be careful, you know. Oh, make you never take off your shoes, babe. You really reach terrible tree, yeah, man. Not even 2. You passed the 2. Get up. Cheers. Over here, so you're close to you, but take time. Right here, sir. Yeah, man. You can reach it? Yeah, I almost reach it. Yeah. The one here right here, sir? Yeah, but you not fully open. Alright. Be not bother go up no further, because I not trust the limb there right now. Right there, so. I'm not the up there, so, but you should have one stick. Okay, you can't never climb me all the way up there, so. I look a brown boy, yeah. Yeah, now I'm good something that. Me have my umbrella, guys, so don't think I don't carry my umbrella with me in this hot sun. What's seen out there, so? I'm serious. You're serious bad. See what's man? I'm serious bad. And come. My job. This supposed want to fix properly, boy. Guys, in catch him bag. I don't even know if I'm not seeing, but in catch him bag over there, so. Okay. Stop running. Go on up. Go up. Jesus, why give me problem? Catch my dog, guys. Catch my dog. See me talk about? You see me talk about? Guys, the breezer bro strong theme right now. You know them way they even in that tree and the breezer blow strong, it can cause all type of danger. Oh, Jesus. Hey, right now my heart a beat fast, you know. Yeah. My heart a beat fast, so fun. See breezer blow heavy there again. Yes, guys, we live in the forest. We're forest people. We live in the forest. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you so serious? Eh? Why are you so serious? Much that?
I'm a hustler.
Kitchen, you can rock this up? Good boy, take off his slippers. Tiff! Girl, the police! Up here, so. Stay up here, so man. The place your Maria send me in a bush, go pick up packies.
Pick up a pin, Mama.
Go here, send me a bush. So the ackee is just pretty. Look at that. I may have 4 up there up on the ground. Maria have the rest of them in a tree. Pretty ackee. Yeah. Stop shake the government tree. By the drop here. My drop. Ooh, the breeze. We're gonna go fall soon again. We're gonna go fall. Time of that. Guys, I'm gonna show you up on the hillside. Y'all seen the beautiful view? Good breeze, strong man. But y'all are seeing the beautiful view out there? Boy, come here, so. No. Ackee, that you pick now?
Yeah.
Wait, me move. Why? Jesus Christ. Run, boy. Go, your father stone with ackee. Backside away. But that's that gun away again.
Come on.
Guys, Mario just wasted one here. See that? Yeah. Put it down, boy. Yeah, must know, man. There you are, cho with ackee them, guys. Yeah. And I laugh. Troublesome, man. Eh? Leave it alone. Leave it. Alright, I'm on the hillside. The turn so hey. I'm on the hillside. Leave it alone. Put it down. We get 2 now. That's the final one. Take time. Alright, we'll go home now. We're heading home now. Kaya fossil. As I come out, you know, I come out of the tree. Home? Ready to go home? We're ready now. There you go. I'm not running down, you know. I'm not going to run it down.
Oh well.
Oh, come! Run! Run, boy, run! Run like you hear news. Come on. I say you greedy, man. Come, make it ackee them tan now, man. We're getting off. Guys, we're heading home now. My God, we get the ackee to eat. Hi, bag. Not bad. Guys, I don't think this can do it.
12. Yeah.
12 ackee. 3 high, you know, so we'll satisfy with a little bit of we get. So we're gonna do it with chicken back.
I do the people as I buy.
We're gonna do it ackee with chicken back, you know, guys. But yeah, my boy a climber. Nah, borrow no money from me. Hello, yeah, my man. If more money, you better give me that. I saw it go.
You're too tight, man.
Of course, me tight. Me not slack. Guys, I know some day before I come out the yard though. And look how bush and Mario make me go in now. Yeah, my skin has scratched me. Alright guys, so we just reached home. I'm gonna make 𝐾𝐨 with him father cause you know time hot and thing. And them just have a look father and son bonding in the shower. That's on our way. Yeah. Hey, over here. Over here. Who is waiting? Daddy, I go wait up underneath the water. Papa, go wait up underneath the water. Water nice. Water nice. Hey, good boy. Good boy.
He done. He done. He done. He done.